Dogecoin value equivalent to 1.3873 rands a coin. The present cost range, 1.3767 1.4045. The earlier day close, 1.3747. The change was plus 0.0126, plus 0.92%. Backwards rate, ZAR to Doge. Dogecoin cost expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month. Dogecoin cost forecast on Monday, May 15, cost 1.38 rands, high 1.48, low 1.28. Dogecoin gauge on Tuesday, May 16, cost 1.41 rands, high 1.51, low 1.31. Dogecoin cost forecast on Wednesday, May 17, cost 1.41 rands, high 1.51, low 1.31. Dogecoin gauge on Thursday, May 18, cost 1.43 rands, high 1.53, low 1.33. Dogecoin cost forecast on Friday, May 19, cost 1.44 rands, high 1.54, low 1.34. In multi-week Dogecoin gauge on Monday, May 22, cost 1.37 rands, high 1.47, low 1.27. Dogecoin cost forecast on Tuesday, May 23, cost 1.37 rands, high 1.47, low 1.27. Dogecoin estimate on Wednesday, May 24, cost 1.30 rands, high 1.39, low 1.21. Dogecoin cost forecast on Thursday, May 25, cost 1.34 rands, high 1.43, low 1.25. Dogecoin estimate on Friday, May 26, cost 1.33 rands, high 1.42, low 1.24. In about 14 days Dogecoin cost forecast on Monday, May 29, cost 1.34 rands, high 1.43, low 1.25. Dogecoin gauge on Tuesday, May 30, cost 1.33 rands, high 1.42, low 1.24. Dogecoin cost forecast on Wednesday, May 31, cost 1.33 rands, high 1.42, low 1.24. Dogecoin gauge on Thursday, June 1, cost 1.31 rands, high 1.40, low 1.22. Dogecoin cost forecast on Friday, June 2, cost 1.33 rands, high 1.42, low 1.24. In 3 weeks Dogecoin gauge on Monday, June 5, cost 1.34 rands, high 1.43, low 1.25. Dogecoin cost forecast on Tuesday, June 6, cost 1.35 rands, high 1.44, low 1.26. Dogecoin conjecture on Wednesday, June 7, cost 1.33 rands, high 1.42, low 1.24. Dogecoin cost expectation on Thursday, June 8, cost 1.34 rands, high 1.43, low 1.25. Dogecoin conjecture on Friday, June 9, cost 1.36 rands, high 1.46, low 1.26. In about a month Dogecoin cost expectation on Monday, June 12, cost 1.34 rands, high 1.43, low 1.25. Dogecoin conjecture on Tuesday, June 13, cost 1.34 rands, high 1.43, low 1.25. Dogecoin value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027. Dogecoin cost expectation for May 2023. In the first place cost at 1.45 rands. Exorbitant cost 1.57, while low cost 1.21. Found the middle value of cost 1.39. Dogecoin cost gauge toward the month's end 1.33, change for May 8.3%. Dogecoin gauge for June 2023. In the first place cost at 1.33 rands. Exorbitant cost 1.46, while low cost 1.10. Found the middle value of cost 1.29. Dogecoin cost gauge toward the month's end 1.28, change for June 3.8%. Dogecoin cost expectation for July 2023. In the first place cost at 1.28 rands. Excessive cost 1.46, while low cost 1.26. Arrived at the midpoint of cost 1.34. Dogecoin cost figure toward the month's end 1.36, change for July 6.3%. Dogecoin figure for August 2023. Initially cost at 1.36 rands. Excessive cost 1.36, while low cost 1.17. Arrived at the midpoint of cost 1.29. Dogecoin cost figure toward the month's end 1.26, change for August 7.4%. Dogecoin cost expectation for September 2023. Initially cost at 1.26 rands. Excessive cost 1.26, while low cost 1.05. Arrived at the midpoint of cost 1.18. Dogecoin cost figure toward the month's end 1.13. Change for September 10.3%. Dogecoin figure for October 2023. Initially cost at 1.13 rands. Excessive cost 1.40, while low cost 1.13. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 1.24. Dogecoin cost figure toward the month's end 1.31. Change for October 15.9%. Dogecoin cost expectation for November 2023. Initially cost at 1.31 rands. Exorbitant cost 1.31, while low cost 1.02. The found the middle value of cost 1.19. Dogecoin cost estimate toward the month's end 1.10. Change for November 16.0%. Dogecoin estimate for December 2023. To start with cost at 1.10 rands. Exorbitant cost 1.10, while low cost 0.86. The found the middle value of cost 1.00. Dogecoin cost estimate toward the month's end 0.92. Change for December 16.4%. Dogecoin cost expectation for January 2024. To start with cost at 0.92 rands. Exorbitant cost 1.14, while low cost 0.92. The found the middle value of cost 1.01. Dogecoin cost estimate toward the month's end 1.07. Change for January 16.3%. Dogecoin estimate for February 2024. To start with cost at 1.07 rands. Exorbitant cost 1.22, while low cost 1.06. The found the middle value of cost 1.12. Dogecoin cost estimate toward the month's end 1.14. Change for February 6.5%. Dogecoin cost expectation for WAC 2024. To start with cost at 1.14 rands. Excessive cost 1.14, while low cost 0.99. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 1.08. Dogecoin cost conjecture toward the month's end 1.06. Change for spring 7.0%. Dogecoin conjecture for April 2024. Before all else cost at 1.06 rands. Excessive cost 1.19, while low cost 1.03. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 1.10. Dogecoin cost conjecture toward the month's end 1.11. Change for April 4.7%. Dogecoin cost expectation for May 2024. At the outset cost at 1.11 rands. Excessive cost 1.11, while low cost 0.86. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 1.00. Dogecoin cost conjecture toward the month's end 0.93. Change for May 16.2%. ZAR to Doge swapping scale equivalent to 0.7208 coins per 1 rand. The present reach 0.7120 minus 0.7264. The earlier days nearby 0.7274. Change for now 0.0066, 0.91%. ZAR to Doge cost expectation for in the not so distant future and month. Rand to Dogecoin figure on Monday, May 15, cost 0.725 coins, high 0.781, low 0.676. ZAR to Doge expectation